already. I started.
Akoma FM 87.
Why is that a presidential race? No, get it that at the point in time when you are 17, I'm pending for time. So you didn't get your casa food some free oba na baswa. Party into mean
because there's no unity in the party.
There's no unity in
the party. That the United States and you say be a carbon will be hunted down more when you say no kakaka. Yes, I know too. Obia penny there. Obia penny there. Now we understand. They watch each other. Now we win a bano. Or say, Nipa only far better. So more makina, Mosa Kabum Namco Tarnich. No more dear Wam say Yabamo, more real Musea. Oh, Cocahuana boom.
At a point in time, a party nuclear general secretary, party chairman, free honor. They came back to win. And see, what is new?
Well, I know the real win. Oh, I know we are not talking about big numbers.
I'm talking about Ghana's general election, 2016.
Okay.
General MPP for you, general secretary. Okay, you party chairman. Party ni mwanchiche. Okay.
87.9.
You shouldn't worry. Nene kasanani yura ho. Shota ne niasi. I said, don't worry. Don't go campaign crowd win it because we will make sure of that.
Wow.
I told him that. But I make I say nam asin. Breku, asim breku. Nkrasi for my birthday akra be trouble na say asema ba.
Would ye Ghana Akoma?
Because anya incumbent into no omaba. Ubisa no be trouble. No anu to say be trouble. Asa.
Na just a bufuo no o say Ghana for person no mo to aba.
Na me nipa. They say sa na ye.
Oh really?
Except say put themako say
FM 87.9.
I'm robbers.
Aye mu kakra Akromfoni am Roberts. Akromfoni we are am Roberts for so dey up the train as
the guy. No the train fi okra no ano. Enti the ope bia obehu maybe omo. Say no way when na ya Roberts abu. When ya Akromfo ordinary so abu. Onyam na me kire. Mo amohwe mo de.
There were thieves and armed robbers.
Yes.
Our Ghana now.
The bad choices and no.
The Ghanaians has a choice between thieves and armed robbers.
And I'm cooking as a bonsamne before now. Between the Satan and a friend of the wizard. I'm patriot. It's a choices and you're good. Okay. You're good. But you have to take one. They're great choices. And so they pick one. You want them. I'm say, Mama, you're too much in a hurry. Say, now, me ba, be besia. With my sister Bibia, there's nothing beyond God. I say, a course watcher do a course watcher. They say, dear Hiano, I dear here say a busy Ghana Hano, or see a sister Bibia, Bibia, or see a Sisano, because you did dear Koyaqua, and to me, my kind of into me move anymore. Because he can't say the Tida Danukra, and Swing, Akatiana, and Zutia. Now what they call now Fabia everything. They was say ote nipa na wutu om kan na was say ote so. Transi na dwene ho yi na fe tiso. Tiso in a way say e ma ho kire no ma too much. And onya no ne ka ho. E ka say o yam fan ko sa yam fan ko the word we hu yi. There be anye yi. It will come to a screeching halt. Ya nya hwe no a stop krinkrin na sta.
There's no hope.
Pretty much. So, existing system, I can tell you, I agree with you, there's no hope. There is a new one that should come. A whole hope in the world. I will see a system there completely. A system. Because pretty much, a dear ministry and our sector of government, now wait to my catch them say, I had a koye, catch them empty. A beer anywhere, I meet my catch not one. A beer anyhow. A beer Jubilee House there. And also a set of government. Loko here, all classical, you didn't want to be on
Akoma FM 87.9.
Ubia send him a message. Dr. Mwakoba was part of the brains that masterminded the removal of Kwabena Japan and Paul Afoko. And that is very different from Alan Factor. So, I want to also get it. But understanding is that some owner or mastermind they remove.
Oh, when do you mean mastermind? I was in support of it. In fact, me and another didn't come on. And I'm saying I was here suspended. And another say, yes, suspended on the back of court. And I'm saying, I won't go court. That's all the OT baby. Your lawyers never go. That's what I told you. So party lawyers never go. Okay. They won't know your party. That's what I told you. Because I did almost today. Na nye papa the wa wo kasa so woni mu say papa ko hwi sometime bia ne wa ye papa say onu mu committee na obepie na nsam am ka nyina da obi telephone so a can radio station papa
but then na chere say dey kwabena ne afoku no mu
uni mi na ko party won committee na asem na ba
man na nu nko ana na
won ko ana mko
ya mi enu na there were others
no akasa oni kasa be bontin na da bontin na fe hwan. It does not matter. It does not matter. I stopped talking about that because of Cobra Japan. He was brave enough to come back.
Okay.
But at that time when he was tackled, he could not explain it. He couldn't. It was clear, say, Bibi Koso. What I say. And yeah, Bibiana also on your solid evidence.
And was apparently to do what? Because party chairman, party secretary, the biggest position everybody would dreamed of.
Oh, yes.
And I said, party.
Well, that's what
nobody would wish mayor chairman I'm to opposition.
Oh,
reasonably.
That's logical.
Yeah,
this is corruption. What I say? Every crown home here, right? I don't know. If you are no money in bands, I call it on your partner. They basically be a man.
Okay.
I don't know. Yes. If you are, so say they are costing you. Who say, yeah, the omu ya di bim. What I say? Oh, yes. But me think I mean him no. I won't take your word for it because it makes no sense. It's not fair. What I say. So when you be limited, no, you're a party member. No dear anymore. Now I say sabotage. I know dear. No, I'll also work hard for the other side. Except say na akwano na minino. Na minino.
No we
Then I know some now walk the battle is the Lord. I will find your battle is the Lord. Makunya na isi nka na chini wajai kan.